Votarem.
We will vote.
Votaremos.
Wir werden abstimmen.
Votarem.
Votaremos.
Votaremos.
Votarem.
Nous allons voter.
Votarem.
Votaremos.
Votarem.
Głosujemy.
Estimem.
Wij stemmen.
Votarem.
On the streets, we've organised the biggest demonstrations in European history. Now, all we want to do is vote. On the 9th of November, we Catalans have a date with democracy. We wish to vote concerning our collective future. To vote so as to decide what we want to be and where we want to go. We understand that voting is the only way to do things, which is why we want to vote, which is why we're going to vote. Because voting is a sign of freedom. Voting is just. Voting means progress, which is why we're going to vote. Because voting is in everybody's interest. Voting means dignity. Voting is what democracy is all about. Because by voting we can create a better country, made more just and more free by everybody and for everybody. On the 9th of November, we're going to vote for our freedom.